9. The Hermit. Keywords: Virgo, finding one's own light, going inward, completion, harvest, resting in one's own center, wise guide. The Hermit has set out in search of internal fulfillment and has found the light within. He is so fulfilled by the wealth of the inner realm that the external world appears colorless and unimportant. When you repose in yourself, you have come home. There is no reason to chase after the deceptive light of that which is external and transitory. However, the journey inward also has its difficult and troublesome aspects. You need courage and trust in yourself in order to embark on this journey, for before you reach the sought-for light, you are led through the apparently danger-filled realms of your own shadow. These are represented on the card by the poisonous snake and the three-headed hellhound, Cerberus. 2 of Cerberus' heads look forward, 1 looks back. His attention is directed partly toward the past in order to make sure all important details have been brought to completion. All unfinished business must be attended to before the available energies can be applied to the new. The integration of the animal in us is also a prerequisite to the emergence of a whole, total being. The transforming light of inner clarity fills, bit by bit, all levels of his being. The sheaves ripen, the fruits of his surrender to the internal self become visible. The grain can be harvested and shared with others. Whoever has found the inner reality can share the experience of transformation with other seekers. The Hermit is not revered by others, and is rarely understood. He is an individual who hears a different drummer, not satisfied with the superficialities of the masses. The Hermit enters only into those relationships which offer union of deeper levels. If this is not possible, the Hermit prefers to remain alone. This card admonishes you to heed your inner wisdom, and gather together with other people who will be supportive and a shared path. The goal of this path is to find the inner voice and learn to listen to it. Discover your inner guide and become well acquainted with your inner healer. Indications: accept your aloneness. Don't concern yourself with people who don't understand you, who would rather see you be a part of the herd. If you should meet a wise leader or teacher, join her or him. Question: have you any unresolved situations or relationships in your life? Suggestion: make a list of all situations which you now wish to resolve or in some way bring to completion. Whoever embarks on the search for the internal light must not be encumbered by unresolved conflicts. Accounts must be settled. Affirmation: enjoy my aloneness. I can